Welcome to Agri-Mechanics TV, your trusted source for all things farming and technology. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best combine harvesters of 2024. These powerful machines are transforming the agricultural world with cutting-edge technology and unbeatable efficiency. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the John Deere S790. Known as one of the largest and most powerful harvesters globally, it offers incredible grain capacity while being fuel efficient. Whether you're harvesting corn, wheat, or soybeans, this machine handles it all. Its advanced automation helps farmers optimize yields and reduce downtime. Next up is the CLS Lexion 8900, a machine built for versatility. Whether it's wheat or rice, the Lexion 8900 delivers outstanding performance. With operator-friendly features and high-tech automation, it ensures a smooth harvest, no matter the crop or terrain. Coming in at number 3 is the New Holland CR 10.90. Known for its IntelliSense technology, this harvester optimizes every step of the process, ensuring maximum efficiency. Its fuel economy is top tier, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. Our fourth pick is the Case IH9250 Axial Flow. Built to last, this harvester excels in durability and capacity. Thanks to its axial flow technology, it provides excellent grain quality, no matter the conditions. And there you have it, our top 5 best combine harvesters of 2024. Whether you're looking for power, efficiency, or advanced technology, these machines have it all. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Agri-Mechanics TV for more insights on the latest in farming technology. See you next time.